Hey friends, it's Elizabeth Morse from Simply Out of the Box, and I am coming to you today with a fun, simple, economic, and really tasty recipe for the month of December. I find that in December, everybody is pulled in a ton of different directions. We've got holiday parties, we've got budgets that are usually a little bit pinched, and this recipe is super easy, super tasty, and comes together with just 5 ingredients that you probably already have on hand. They are cereal bars. They're kind of my take on kind of the traditional Rice Krispie treat, but these can use any cereal that you've got, and stay tuned. I will show you what I've decided to use and how they turn out. Enjoy. So the first thing that we've got, I've got some vanilla extract. I've got in this bowl about 12 ounces of breakfast cereal, and I had 2 different kinds to use. This is going to be sort of a s'mores butterscotchy mix, and so I've got Golden Graham cereal and also like a chocolate peanut butter puff cereal. So I've mixed those 2 together. Got about 12 ounces. I've got a bag of butterscotch chips. You could use chocolate if you prefer. 1 stick of butter and 1 bag of marshmallows that I got at the dollar store. So what I'm gonna do, I've got, again, my cereal here. I'm gonna add the other 4 ingredients, the vanilla, the marshmallows, the butterscotch, and the butter to this pan and just get them melted. Then I'm gonna take that mixture and pour it into the cereal, mix it all together, and I thought it would be fun. This is totally optional, but I've got some of these kind of festive sprinkles, and I'm going to put those on the top and make them look really Christmassy. So anyway, stand by for that. I'm going to go ahead and get these ingredients heated up. If you prefer, you can certainly take a microwave safe bowl and add the butter, chips, marshmallows, and vanilla and melt those in your microwave, maybe about 30 seconds at a time, and then stopping to stir. I prefer to do it on the stovetop because I don't have a microwave. So give me just a second. I'll show you what that looks like, and I'll come back and put it together for you. Okay, everybody, I have got, let me just show you here, our marshmallow mix. It's a little bit hot. Just kind of gooey and warm. And again, you can get this same result in the microwave, but I prefer just to heat everything on the stove. And again, I use butterscotch chips, but you can certainly use chocolate if you prefer. And these are gonna get mixed up and show you what they look like. Okay, so I have got all of our cereal together. I'm just gonna mix this. It's a little bit sticky with a spatula. And if any of you have ever made crispy treats, very much the same process, just sort of a different twist, makes it a little bit different. And I think these are gonna be really yummy. They smell amazing. You wanna get all the cereal coated with the marshmallow candy coating. And then I thought about putting some of the sprinkles within the cereal mix, and you could certainly do that, but I think I'm gonna put them on the top to make it really festive and fun. And so this is what it looks like. And I also have a 9x13 pan here that I put a little butter in. You could spray it with cooking spray if you have that. And I'm going to dump this mixture in, spread it around, and come back and put the sprinkles on, show you what it looks like. All right, I've got all this yum warmy goodness spread into the pan. One little tip, if you've got an offset spatula or spoon that you're using to press down the cereal bars, you want to either butter it, or you could spray it with a little cooking spray if you have some, and it makes it much easier to get a nice even coat. Kind of want everything to be level so that the bars are nice and even, because eventually they'll firm up. You're going to be able to cut them into squares or bars, and you want them to all kind of be the same size. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to take my Christmas sprinkles and just sprinkle these all over the top, make some kind of festive and fun. Again, if you use the sprinkles, you're at 6 ingredients. Otherwise, you're at 5. Cereal, butter, vanilla, marshmallows, and a 1.5 cups or bag of your favorite kind of chips. morsels. I used butterscotch. You can certainly use chocolate. And they're super cute. This is what they look like. I hope that you all enjoy this easy, yummy recipe during this time of the year where everything is really busy. This is simple, it's fast, and it's festive. Great for cookie exchanges and great for Santa Claus and using stuff that you've already got on hand. Hope you all have enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give these yummy cereal bars a try. Happy holidays.